Hello guys, welcome to Khou Acha. Today in this video we'll be drawing a Donald duck. Let's start with the eyes by drawing an oval shape here and there. Then we're gonna draw a slightly smaller oval inside it. Then we'll draw two tiny circles for the pupils. Perfect. Now let's give him a nose. Start by drawing a curve from the left to the right. Another curved line here as well. Now we connect these two curves together. Let's give him a smiley mouth. From here, we curve down and up like so. We'll now connect his nose from the left to the right side. You got it! Now, draw a tiny triangle for its tongue. Next up, we're drawing the eyebrows. By drawing a curve above the left eye. Then, start drawing a curve, followed by spiky lines for his hair. And then, connect from his left mouth to the spiky hair. Bravo! Now, for his hat, start by drawing two straight lines here and connect it like this. Here comes the big curve for the hat, like this. And finish it with the back of the hat. Beautiful! Now, let's give him a lovely tie, should we? Start with a straight line down from his mouth, and one more line like this. And then, continue with a bow tie, like this. We'll draw a curve from here to here, and another curve for this side as well. Then, from his arm, start curving down from his neck like this. Same goes for this side too. Another two lines right there, followed by three stripes here. Another three stripes here too. Beautifully done. For his hand, draw a tiny heart like this. The same goes for this side. But this time, we'll give him 3 fingers. Exactly right, like this. Now, let's put another curve for his shirt. Yes, like this. Moving to his lower body. We'll draw a little curve down here and 2 slightly pointy shapes right there for his tail. Followed by another curve down here like this. And wavy lines here. Moving to his cute legs, starting by drawing 2 lines like this. And then draw another 2 lines here. accompanied by 2 lines like this for his foot. Then let's connect those 2 lines. And same goes for this side. We'll finish this by adding short curves right here. And just this side too. Ta-da! That's amazing! And there you have it, guys. I'll see you in the next episode.